Hey, Nathan.
Hey, Kevin.
So what is the plan for the new ceiling here?
So the plan today is we're going to put up some fir beadboard that the homeowner has chosen. They have a lot of options when they're choosing beadboard. They can choose it out of vinyl, PVC, MDF. You can get it in sheets, but we chose to go with a 3-inch by 5/8 pretty traditional fir beadboard.
Yeah, I mean, this is very traditional, right? I mean, this goes back way, way long.
It does go way back. It actually predates the Civil War. It originally was 1-inch strips with quarter-round edges, but now today, to get it done a little faster, we have this stuff here.
And do you know the finish eventually? We're going to paint this? We're going to stain it?
We're not sure yet. We could buy this pre-primed and save ourselves a little bit of time.
Right.
But we're actually going to go just raw, and if they want to finish it later, they can do that.
Okay. Well, Austin and Bailey are busy elsewhere, so you're stuck with me.
Right.
How are we getting started on this project?
Where we're going to start is right here above the door. I already found the center of the casing, and I squared it off the house and snapped the line.
So I can see your blue snap line. It gets picked up on the strapping all the way across.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scrap, and I'm going to tuck it up right into that corner. I'm going to pull it off just a little bit, and that's going to accommodate for the expansion and contraction that the board might go through over the years. I don't want it to rub up against the beam. All right, now I got my line there. Can you pass me the end of your tape? All right. What do you got?
I got 101 1/8.
All right, let's transfer that mark to the other side. All right, you got 101 1/8?
I do.
All right, let me make my line, and that'll give us a good starting point for our board. All right, Kevin, so I already sighted this board. I want to start with a nice straight one. Go bead down. Now you're going to pull your end off the wall just a little bit, and I'm going to put my tongue right to the line we set. That we made. Now let's nail it. I'm going to nail through the tongue because I have the most meat. All right, now nail your side. All right, now let's hit the middles. All right, now on this first one, we actually have the luxury to face nail back here against the beam because we have some bed molding that's going to cover that. All right, Kevin, let's toss this next piece up. Let's just snug it right in. All right, so it looks like this piece has a little bit of a bow to it. So what we'll do is we'll tack the ends. Then we're going to push the middle in nice and tight. All right, let's pull our tape to the chalk line. Check that again.
I've got 14 3/4.
All right, that's what I got too. So it's looking pretty good. We're running perpendicular. So what we'll do is we'll keep checking that every 3 or 4 feet. We'll keep it running square, run it all the way to the end, and then we'll come back and put our bed molding up and it'll look pretty nice.
Already looks pretty nice.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.